In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename video tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to keep your timeline organized and easier to manage, renaming your video tracks is a very simple but helpful thing to do. This is especially useful when you're working on larger projects with multiple layers of footage, graphics, titles, or effects. Instead of seeing generic track names, you can label each track clearly so you always know what you're looking at. To begin, go to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve and locate the video track area. This is the section where all of your video layers are stacked. On the left side of the timeline, you'll see the track names displayed. These are the labels for each video track. Once you find the name of the track you want to change, click directly on that name. This allows you to rename the track. After clicking, type in the new name you want to use. Choose something clear and descriptive, especially if you're separating different types of content like main footage, overlays, B-roll, or text. Using simple names can make your editing process much smoother later on. After entering the new name, confirm the change, and that's it. Your video track will now show the updated label in the timeline. This can save time when you're editing because you won't need to guess which track contains which type of media. Even though this is a very quick process, it's one of those small workflow habits that can make a big difference, particularly when your timeline starts getting more complex. Keeping your tracks named properly helps with navigation, reduces confusion, and makes your project feel much more organized. If you're editing with several tracks at once, it's a good idea to rename them as soon as you create them, rather than waiting until the timeline becomes crowded. That way, everything stays clean and easy to follow from the start. So again, all you need to do is go to the video track section in the timeline, look to the left side where the track name appears, and click the name to rename it. It's quick, easy, and very useful, and that's all there is to it. You now know how to rename video tracks in DaVinci Resolve.